Do you know how to evaluate 5/6 divided by 2/9 without using your calculator? The very first thing you should do when dividing fractions is to remember this rule. When dividing fractions, flip the second fraction and multiply. So we take 5/6 and we multiply by the flipped second fraction. And flipping a fraction is just taking the reciprocal. So that gives us 9/2. Now we have 5/6 times 9/2. And the first thing I always like to do is to look if we can simplify this down to make the math easier. I see that 5 and 2 can't be simplified down, but 6 and 9 can both be divided by 3. So that 6 becomes a 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now we have 5 times 3, which is 15, over 2 times 2, which is 4. Now we need to be able to get this number from a fraction to a decimal. The way that I like to convert fractions into decimals is actually turning this fraction into a mixed number, or a mixed fraction. 4, 8, 12, 16. Nope. 4 goes into 15 3 times, so I write the 3. And then how many fourths are left over? We were at 12, so now we have 13, 14, 15. There were 3/4 left over. 3 and 3/4. You should have that fraction of 3/4 memorized to know this is 3.75. But wait, do you want to know what I actually would have done on the test that would have cut my time in half? I would have stopped right here and saw that the answer was 15/4. In my head, I know that 16/4 is 4, which means this number is just slightly less than 4. And I would look at the answer key and see there's only one answer that's slightly less than 4, so the answer must be B.